Hello everyone, and welcome to course 1 of my new course series called Pair Programming Series. In this course we will learn about pair programming using GitHub Copilot. And we will build a Todo CLI app using GitHub Copilot. In this course, we will start on an exciting journey to explore how GitHub Copilot can revolutionize the way we code through pair programming. This course is all about using GitHub Copilot to build a live project step by step. Together, we'll create a fully functional Todo Command-Line Interface (CLI) application using Python. So now let's look into the course structure. So guys, let's look into the pair programming series and build Todo CLI app using GitHub Copilot. This course is divided into 2 parts. In the first part, we will start with what is GitHub Copilot. An introduction to GitHub Copilot, explaining how it works as an AI-powered coding assistant to help developers write code efficiently. Next, we will discuss what Copilot can do. An overview of Copilot's capabilities, including auto-completing code, suggesting snippets, and generating entire functions based on comments or prompts. Next, we will discuss how does Copilot work. A dive into the underlying technology that powers Copilot, including its integration with OpenAI codecs and machine learning. After that, we will look into how to sign up for GitHub Copilot. A step-by-step guide on how to register and get access to GitHub Copilot. Next, we will look into how to set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. Hands-on demonstration of installing and configuring Copilot in VS Code to get it ready for use. And at last of part 1, we will also look into how to install IntelliJ and set up GitHub Copilot. Instructions for setting up GitHub Copilot in IntelliJ IDEA for users who prefer working in this environment. Once we are done with the part 1, then we will proceed to part 2, and there we will start building CLI app with Python using GitHub Copilot. Part 1 is all prerequisite that is required for pair programming, and in the part 2 we will doing actual pair programming. So now let's look into the details what we are going to do in this part of the course. First, I will walk you through all the tasks which we are going to perform to build CLI app with Python using GitHub Copilot. I have created this YAML file. This YAML file has all the session-wise tasks details that I am going to perform in each session. If you are following along with me, then you will download it from my GitHub. Next, in session 1, set up the project, we will learn how to set up the project structure, install necessary dependencies, and prepare the environment for development. Next, in session 2, create the basic CLI structure. I will build the foundation of the CLI application, including setting up commands and basic user input handling. All these I will build using GitHub Copilot. Next, in session 3, implement the add command. Implement functionality to add tasks to the to-do list, allowing users to input and save tasks interactively. Next, in session 4, implement the list command. In this session, I will show you how to create functionality to list all tasks in the to-do application, displaying them in an organized format using GitHub Copilot. Next, in session 5, implement the remove command. After implementing add and list command, we will add the ability to remove tasks from the to-do list. This also we will build using GitHub Copilot. Next, in session 6, implement the update command. In this session, we will implement the feature that enable users to update existing tasks in the to-do list, modifying details such as task description or status. Next, in session 7, add error handling and validation. In this session, we will enhance the application with robust error handling and input validation to improve reliability and user experience. In this session, I will show you how to add error handling into your project using GitHub Copilot. Next, in the last session, that is session 8, write unit tests using GitHub Copilot. I will demonstrate how to write unit tests for the CLI app with GitHub Copilot, ensuring the application functions correctly and remains maintainable. So guys, let's start pair programming journey. This course is very unique. What makes this course unique is its hands-on approach. You won't just watch me code, you'll be coding alongside me. Think of this as a live pair programming session where you learn by doing. The goal is to give you a real-world understanding of how GitHub Copilot can assist you in building applications. On this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the course.